Hi, I'm Ruby. We're here at the Senate today to hand in our petition for adapted houses for disabled people up and down the country. My son Cody has Duchenne muscular dystrophy and we currently don't have a home that's fit for purpose. And as he grows older, he will become a prisoner in his own home.
There are things that people shouldn't have to endure, like washing at the sink that they peel their potatoes in, or sleeping on the sofa that's designed for sitting on. But that's the reality that faces thousands of disabled families across Wales today. They live in homes that are unsuitable for adaptation. The walls are too thin for grab rails, the stairs too steep for stair lifts, the bathrooms too small for a wheelchair to fit in. And that's why Leonard Cheshire, along with 800 people who have signed our petition, are here today asking the Welsh Government to improve the provision of disabled homes. We're asking that every new home be built to Welsh housing quality standards and that 10% of all new homes to be built to fully wheelchair accessible housing standards, so that we can build home sweet homes rather than home sweet house.